Alright, I bought this bike as a basket case. It's a 2007 KX250R. And I completely rebuilt the whole thing. We'll start off with the graphics, which are decal works. These are all custom graphics. The name of the bike is Monster Gold Rush. The frame has been powder coated by Mirror Image Powder Coating here in Kenosha, Wisconsin. All the gold that you see on the bike, the motor, the front forks, the rear shock, the swing arm, all the handlebars, that's all been polished to a high luster and coated with a candy gold to match the XL rims. The cooling system is all brand new. It's got brand new radiators. Brand new custom built radiator covers, Monster Energy logo, all made out of aluminum. All the hoses are all brand new. It has a brand new seat cover, brand new foam, and the seat base is the OEM. It was in great condition, so I reused that. It has brand new plastics. Decal Works did all the design for the Monster Energy Gold Rush. It has a brand new OEM gas tank, the last one in the country. It has a Moose Racing Series gas cap, anodized. It also has a timer. The motor has been ran for 0.2 hours. The handlebars are double lined Pro taper. It has new Pro Grip hand grips. It has AC3 levers, AC3 kill switch. It has a brand new Renthal crossbar pad. It has a brand new Moose Racing cover for the master cylinder. It has a new OEM throttle body. It has new Pro taper triple clamps. It has brand new Moose Racing rotors. All the entire brake system has all been rebuilt. It has new Dunlap tires, new XL rims, new Moose Racing gold nipples, new stainless steel spokes, new brake cables. The hubs are Moose Racing. It has a brand new Moose Racing sprocket, a brand new gold chain, brand new front sprocket, new front sprocket guard, new tire in the rear, Dunlap, new XL rim, Moose nipples, stainless steel spokes, and Moose hub. The rear caliper has been rebuilt with a new caliper guard, new Moose Racing rotor, new swing arm adjusters, new rotor guard, new brake lines. The exhaust is a Pro Circuit R304, brand new. The pipe is Italian, Scavini, brand new. Now let's get into the motor. The motor was split. It has all OEM Kawasaki bearings, Kawasaki seals, Kawasaki gaskets. The motor was polished to a high luster and coated with a translucent candy apple gold, along with the carburetor polished to a high luster. Flawless, not a scratch, not a dimple. The water pump has been rebuilt. It has a new clutch. It has a new Kickstarter, has new brake pedals, all new water lines. It has a V-Force reed valve. It has a brand new racing carburetor. The head is a fat head for octane of 101 to 103. It has a Wasner piston and rod forged. The jug was sent out to Millennial Technologies and coated and bored first over with the brand new piston and rod by Wasner. The side covers were custom made, laser inscribed before they were polished and sent out to be candy coated green along with the fat head. The motor's been completely tore down and rebuilt by Tony at Redline Cycles in Kenosha, Wisconsin. He's been building motors for 35. He's the best in the business. This bike is completely new and race ready.